Imagine describing a scene, any scene you can conjure in your mind, and watching it appear instantly, almost as if by magic. This is AI image generation, and it's not science fiction anymore, it's a tangible reality. Complex visuals are now made from simple text prompts. It's a revolutionary shift in how we create. You don't need years of design skills. Virtually anyone can create stunning visuals with just a few words. The barrier to entry has been completely shattered. AI has revolutionized image creation, fundamentally changing the landscape of art and design. Custom visuals used to be a costly and slow process, often requiring specialized skills and expensive software. Now, AI interprets your words, understanding the nuances of language to bring your vision to life, and generates unique pictures, offering a limitless canvas for your imagination. High-quality images are accessible to all, democratizing the power of visual communication. This shift is transforming industries, impacting everything from marketing to product design. Businesses can quickly create compelling marketing materials, saving time and resources. Small companies can compete visually, leveling the playing field with stunning AI-generated designs. Content creators get engaging visuals for blogs and social media, enhancing their online presence and captivating their audience. Product designers can rapidly prototype ideas, exploring countless variations in a fraction of the time. Speed and affordability are game changers, making high-quality visuals accessible to everyone. More experimentation is possible than ever before, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. This guide will help you master AI image generation, unlocking your creative potential and empowering you to create like never before. We'll explore the best tools, how to write effective prompts, and control styles. You'll learn to refine your creations, perfecting your AI-generated masterpieces. By the end, you'll be able to create stunning visuals, no design experience needed. Let's begin this exciting journey into the world of AI image generation. The world of AI image generation is vast and ever-expanding. There are many AI image generation platforms available in 2025, each vying for your attention. Each platform comes with its own set of unique strengths, catering to different artistic visions and technical skill levels. Some platforms are designed to be beginner-friendly, offering intuitive interfaces and simplified controls. Others offer advanced controls, providing seasoned users with granular control over every aspect of the image generation process. Your individual needs, including ease of use, the specific features you require, and of course cost considerations, should ultimately guide your choice of platform. Take the time to assess what you truly need from an AI image generator. Some platforms are web-based, allowing you to access them from any device with an internet connection. Others require installation on your local machine, offering potentially faster performance and offline access. Midjourney remains a popular choice in 2025, particularly known for its ability to generate artistic, painterly styles and incredibly detailed fantasy scenes that capture the imagination. It operates primarily via Discord, which may seem unusual at first, but its community is incredibly vibrant and supportive. The resulting image quality is often stunning, making it a great choice for concept art and digital illustrations. DALL-E 3, developed by OpenAI, is another top choice for many users, and is often seamlessly integrated into other tools, such as ChatGPT for added convenience. It's remarkably accessible, understands complex and nuanced prompts with ease, and possesses the unique ability to generate text directly within images, making it perfect for creating posters, memes, and other visually engaging content. Overall, DALL-E 3 is a highly practical and versatile tool for general-purpose image creation. Stable Diffusion, on the other hand, offers maximum flexibility, primarily due to its nature as open-source software. This allows you to run it directly on your own computer, giving you more control over your data and ensuring greater privacy. There are many different interfaces that utilize Stable Diffusion, with both free and paid options available to suit your budget. However, it's worth noting that it has a steeper learning curve compared to some other platforms, but in return, it allows for incredibly deep customization of the image generation process. Advanced users even have the option to train their own custom models, tailoring the AI to their specific needs. Therefore, choose your platform based on your level of technical comfort and the degree of control you desire over the final output. Selecting the right tool can truly make all the difference in the quality and effectiveness of your AI-generated artwork. It's highly recommended to explore a few different options before settling on a single platform. Keep in mind that each platform has its own unique workflow and set of conventions. Try out some sample prompts to see which platform best fits your artistic style and preferences. Don't underestimate the value of community support, as online forums and communities can be a big help when you're just starting out. And most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible. Ultimately, the best platform is the one that empowers your creativity and helps you bring your artistic visions to life. A prompt is your instruction to the AI. It's how you communicate your vision to the machine, guiding it to create the image you have in mind. Think of it as the starting point of a creative collaboration. It's essentially a short text describing the image you want. The AI interprets this text and translates it into a visual representation. The quality of your prompt directly shapes the result. A well-crafted prompt can lead to stunning visuals, while a poorly written one can result in something unexpected or even unusable. Clear, detailed prompts lead to better images. The more information you provide, the better the AI can understand your intent and execute it. Vague ones give unpredictable results. If you're not specific, the AI will fill in the gaps, and the outcome might not be what you were hoping for. Think of it as briefing an artist. You need to provide them with enough information to understand your vision and bring it to life. Start with the main subject. Identify the primary focus of your image and describe any action or pose. Is the subject running, sitting, or standing? What are they doing? Add context. Where is the subject? What's around it? Providing environmental details helps to create a more immersive and believable image. Mention lighting and mood. Is it a bright, sunny day or a dark and stormy night? Is the mood happy, sad, or mysterious? The more specific, the better. Don't be afraid to include as much detail as possible. Use strong adjectives and adverbs to paint a vivid picture with your words. Instead of cat, try fluffy ginger cat, sleeping peacefully on a sunlit windowsill. Instead of forest, try misty ancient redwood forest at dawn, with rays of sunlight piercing through the canopy. Think about textures, colors, and shapes. These elements can add depth and visual interest to your image. Words like serene, chaotic, or eerie set the emotional tone and guide the AI's interpretation. Experiment with word combinations to discover new and unexpected results. Use composition terms. These can dramatically impact the final image. Close-up shot for detail, emphasizing specific features and textures. Wide shot for a broad scene, capturing the vastness of a landscape or the scale of an event. Portrait focuses on a face, ideal for capturing the personality and expression of a character. Landscape describes a scenic view, perfect for showcasing the beauty of nature or the grandeur of a cityscape. Suggest camera angles. These can alter the perspective and create a more dynamic or dramatic image. Low-angle shot or top-down view can create a sense of power, vulnerability, or scale. These terms help the AI frame the image and create a more visually appealing composition. Structure your prompt for clarity. A well-organized prompt is easier for the AI to understand and execute. Practice makes perfect. Refine as you go. Don't be afraid to experiment and iterate on your prompts to achieve the desired result. The right prompt unlocks the AI's full potential, allowing you to create stunning and unique visuals. Beyond the subject, you control the style. AI can generate images in countless artistic styles. Specify style in your prompt for more control. Reference images can guide the AI's output. Upload a photo or artwork to influence style, color, or composition. The AI uses it as inspiration, not a direct copy. Style keywords are powerful: photorealistic, impressionistic, cyberpunk, art deco, or steampunk. Try in the style of Van Gogh or Ansel Adams. Specify a medium watercolor painting, charcoal sketch, or 3D render. These details give precise stylistic direction. Explore different style terms to transform your base prompt. The list of possible styles is enormous. Experiment to find your signature look. Style is your creative fingerprint. The first AI-generated image is rarely perfect. It's just a starting point. Refinement is part of the process. AI tools let you fix flaws, add elements, or expand the composition. Inpainting lets you select and regenerate specific areas, great for fixing errors or adding objects. Outpainting expands your image, changing aspect ratios or revealing more of the scene. The AI fills new space while matching the original style. Upscaling increases resolution for printing or professional use. Many platforms offer built-in upscalers that enhance details. Sharper textures and improved features add polish. Iterative editing leads to professional results. Don't settle for the first output. Refine until it's right. Each adjustment brings you closer to your vision. Mastery comes from iteration. AI image generation is more than a novelty. It's transforming business and creativity. Custom visuals can be created quickly, leveling the playing field. Marketing and advertising benefit from unique, attention-grabbing images. Endless variations allow for large-scale A/B testing. Small businesses can produce professional materials on a budget. Product designers and concept artists generate mock-ups and ideas rapidly. Storyboards and architectural visualizations become easier. AI turns abstract ideas into concrete visuals, speeding up design and improving team communication. Content creators get unique illustrations, thumbnails, and engaging slides. Authors can visualize characters and scenes. More visual content means higher audience engagement. AI supports storytelling in powerful new ways. Rapid visual feedback accelerates idea development. The creative possibilities are endless. Once you master the basics, explore advanced techniques. AI image generation evolves rapidly. New features appear constantly. Animation prep is possible. Generate image sequences for simple GIFs. Prompting for 3D objects is emerging, offering multi-angle views. Batch creation saves time. Generate multiple images or variations at once. Style guides help maintain a consistent visual identity. Define key prompts and style words for your brand. Consistency builds recognition. To succeed, choose the right platform, craft detailed prompts, and control style. Use Inpainting and Outpainting to refine results. Apply these skills to real-world projects. With practice, you'll produce professional quality visuals. Design experience is no longer a barrier. Your creative future is wide open.